Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Runa. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Foundation Friday. So today we are filming a different type of Foundation Friday. As you guys know, every Friday I do come on here and I upload a new foundation review. It could be a foundation routine. It could be all things foundation. So due to what's going on in the world, coronavirus, I'm not getting my packages fast enough and I'm not able to go into Sephora and grab samples, and I'm not able to order stuff fast enough and get it fast enough. I'm just like all over the place. Estimations on foundations are not as fast as I'm used to them being, so I didn't really plan. So I thought something fun to do today was to mix foundations. I see a lot of people that tend to mix foundations and they'll make like a foundation cocktail, and it's kind of exciting, it's kind of fun. So I am going to mix Fenty Beauty and Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. This is a hydrating foundation, and this is a super matte, almost like clay foundation. So I thought if I mix these two and I act this as more of a moisturizer, so adding moisture into this foundation, how would it perform? I'm going to wear it the whole day, and then I'm going to let you guys know how it goes. In the Estee Lauder, I have 4W1 Honey Bronze, and in the Fenty Beauty, I have 300. Now, on a personal note, Fenty Beauty is not, if you've seen my other foundation videos, Fenty Beauty, initially when I first tried it, and I tried this hydrating foundation, I actually really enjoyed it, and I thought it was bombacious. But with time going on and time passing, I don't know if my skin is changing, because oh my gosh, it's been ultra dry in California lately, but I'm like, is my skin changing? Is there something going on? Because I really don't like this. I feel like it's a little too thin, and sometimes it's cakey. This foundation really confuses me. Sometimes it's just not my favorite. It still doesn't look good. Doesn't matter what happens. I never like how this looks on me. So I'm hoping if I blend it with this, mix it with this, then it's going to look better or perform better, because I really love this. You don't really need to mix anything into this. This is more of an experiment type of video. Comment down below if you guys like these type of videos, and I will continue to upload these mixed ones. I know you guys really enjoy the battle videos, like foundation against foundation, because I mean, I like those too, and I love filming them because it's kind of exciting to see, because there's so many foundations on the market, and then when you put them against each other, it's a totally different review, right? It's like, oh, well, I really like this foundation, but then this one's looking better, and it's just really fun to experiment with makeup. After all, makeup is really fun, so we want to have fun, right? So we're going to go ahead and mix these up. So I'm going to start with the Fenty, and I'm going to do 2 pumps, maybe 3. No, just 2, because we're mixing. Just before we go into this whole foundation review, I do have on this liquid powder oil balancing serum with French pink clay from Versali. I have been really testing this product out. I think there's a learning curve with this product. Believe it or not, some beauty products have a learning curve. I have seen people just put it on and let it dry. Usually like a white layer dries, but today the white layer didn't dry on my face as much, so I can't really show you guys the full effect. So a little, that's 2. Now this sucks because there's no way to measure the pump, so I'm just gonna do a quick dollop. This is such a messy foundation. This packaging just is like, this packaging is horrendous, you guys. It's horrendous. Look how gross it gets. It's horrible. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. Oh yeah, she's real thick. Look at how thick she is. So I have Nair wetting my beauty blender for me, because I always forget to dampen my beauty blender. So, and I'm too lazy to get up, so I'm having Nair do it for me. My husband, if some of you guys don't know, Nair is my husband. Say hi, baby.
She's talking about me.
I feel like it looks dark now, because traditional, it looks pretty orange. So I'm going to go ahead and just blend this in. I'm going to use a beauty blender, you guys, because it does seem a little thick. So, hey guys, right away, I love how my skin looks. It's almost, usually the Estee Lauder is super drying on me. Even though I do like the coverage, but it does feel really dry, but this just feels good. Ooh, I like it. Thanks, babe. Sorry if you guys heard rustling. That was Nayar fixing my lights. He's my camera guy. He's not a mystery though. You can't keep Nayar a mystery camera guy. He likes the attention. Oh, this feels so nice, you guys. I love it. And I didn't even have to use any red corrector. Usually with the Fenty, I have to use a red corrector because it just starts to look ashy. Actually, with both of these, like, I have to use a red corrector or else it'll look really ashy in this area. But not with this one. Not mixed. I hope it's a success. I hope. Hope. Wow, this is just so flawless. I'm so impressed. My skin looks so snatched, you guys. And the color is really good. It's not bad. Super snatched. Okay, guys, before we go into the rest of the face, I just want to do some product conversation. So on my eyes, I have on the MAC Selena eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. I have on these 3 colors. I have on this, I have on this, and then I have on that color. And that's on my eyes. You guys often ask what's on my face. And I feel like I should start sharing that so I don't have to keep answering all the questions and, you know, be annoying. I should be more informative on my channel because that's why I have a channel, right? And look at the packaging. This is really nice. I do have a full tutorial on another look that I did with this collection, this whole palette. It's gonna be linked down below, or you can go look. It's like the video before this or 2 videos before this. And I uploaded it on Monday, I think, yeah. And I give a full review on it and stuff like that. And I talk about it all the way. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and finished my whole face and now the foundation has completely dried down. I will say that it does have a tight feeling to it still. The Fenty Hydration did not give the Estee Lauder that hydrating feel to it yet. I will say that it does have a tight feeling to it, but my face is so snatched and it looks so freaking nice that I am really into this combo. I love this mixed combo. My face doesn't look cakey at all. It just looks really pretty in porcelain. But I will say that the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation did not add any hydration to the Estee Lauder, but it did give a really nice dewy, matty type of vibe to it. It looks really nice. I love this combination. The coloring ended up looking really nice as well, so I'm here for it. Before I leave you guys though and move on to my day, I just want to talk about some items that I have on my face because you guys always ask and I just want to deliver. All the links to everything that I have on my face right now will be linked down below. So I have on my lips today the Selena Big Bertha collection from MAC Cosmetics. I'm not sure if this is in stock anymore, but if it's not, I'll give you other like options that are very similar to this because there are some really similar ones. But this is like my current favorite now and I've been wearing this so much. Next, I have on highlighter. Look at this beautiful highlighter, you guys. I have on this Tickle highlighter from Benefit Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite highlighters right now. I love it. I think it's stunning and it's super amazing. And for blush today, I have on my Deep Throat from NARS. This is a Holy Grail. This is an old school one. I haven't used it in a while, but I decided to use it after a while. And I'm like, why don't I just always use that? But, you know, we love makeup over here, so we don't always stick to the same thing. We like to try new things. And you guys, yes, I will have a new makeup at Sephora coming up soon. I ordered my makeup this week and it told me I wasn't gonna get it till May 18th. Like, that's real. I've never had that problem with Sephora. I always get my items like within a week or like in 2 days. So I'm pretty like, dang, it's gonna take 2 weeks to get some. But Sephora, you know what? No, never mind. Sephora does take a while to like ship your stuff. They do take a while. I always feel like I don't get it till a week later. Like, that's how I feel. But we'll see. We'll see how it works. So before I leave, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some of this spray. This is from Versali. This is the Rose Gold Skin Mist, and I heard that even though it says it's hydrate, prime, and set, it's mostly for hydration and it's mostly for a glow. And a little goes a long way, but I never do a little. It just ends up being like a 10. So it just feels so good when it goes on. And with this spray, you want to definitely fan everything out. I'm going to go ahead and wear this foundation for the rest of the day, and then I'll be back and I'll give you guys a full, like, what do I think? Should you mix your foundation? Do these two mixed? Are they good? Is it a good cocktail? Is it not? Let's see. So I'll see you guys throughout the day. So I am in the car We're going for a little drive. The foundation, look at how nice it looks. It looks really glowy, pretty. I feel like when I usually wear the Fenty by itself, it just looks really cakey and like real gunky because of the hydration. I feel like it separates. But mixed with the Estee Lauder, it looks really nice. And look at my forehead. It doesn't have any of those lines that it usually has from foundation, especially a matte foundation. When I use the Estee Lauder by itself, usually it'll have like this crazy, like, you know, crease type of thing going on my forehead. But not today. My lash is like falling off, and I'm just so over these lashes. I think these lashes are getting old. So yeah, I really so far love this combo. No creasing, nothing. Really nice. Yeah, so personally though, you guys, I think that's pretty expensive. A $45 foundation plus another like $30 foundation, that's like an $80 foundation. So but it was really fun to experiment and see if it's like a cool cocktail, especially if some of you guys have like a ton of foundations in the house. Like if you're a foundation hoarder like me and you have tons of foundations, and sometimes you wonder what it would be like just to mix the two. So I'm here for you for those type of moments. Ew.